To install the NextFit convertible car seat with the vehicle seatbelt in the rear-facing position, first, squeeze the recline adjustment handle and pull forward to adjust to a reclined position. Next, place the NextFit on your vehicle seat in rear-facing position. Make sure the base is flat against the vehicle seating surface and is not blocking the vehicle seatbelt buckle. Refer to the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble falls between the two lines for rear-facing installation. Readjust recline as necessary. Make sure the overhang beyond the front edge of the vehicle seat does not exceed the maximum allowance of 3 inches. If you have a NextFit Zip Max, refer to the line on the base to verify. To access the rear-facing belt path, unzip the seat pad. If your NextFit does not have a zipper, remove the crotch strap pad. Unsnap the backrest panel and pull up and out. Route the vehicle seat belt through the blue rear-facing belt path. When routing past the crotch strap, be sure the seat belt passes in front if the strap is in position 1 and behind if the strap is in position 2. Pull the seat belt down through the rear-facing belt path opening on the opposite side of the NextFit. Buckle the seat belt. While pushing down on the NextFit, pull on the shoulder belt in a vertical direction to tighten the lap belt. While still pulling, slide the shoulder belt into the lock-off on the opposite side of the seatbelt buckle. Pull the rest of the seatbelt out to put it into locked mode. Zip the seat pad. If your NextFit does not have a zipper, feed the crotch strap through the correct slot and snap the backrest panel back into place. Be sure to pull the shoulder straps and waist belt out from behind the fabric. Then, replace the crotch strap pad. Lastly, check your work by holding the NextFit at the belt path and pulling side to side and forward. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Check to make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for rear-facing installation. If necessary, loosen the seatbelt, readjust recline, and repeat installation steps to make sure the NextFit is installed properly.